Good morning, Miss. I am 𝙈𝓚𝓫 𝙆𝓚, BSN 2A student of St. Anthony's College. And today, I'm gonna perform the competency performance checklist on making herbal ointment using Akapulko leaves. So, let's begin. First, we're going to gather all the equipments or materials needed for the procedure. Now, we're going to put all needed materials on a clean working table. Next, do hand washing and dry. Going to put on clean gloves, apron, and hairnet. Let's start the procedure. Now we're going to separate the Akapulko leaves from its stem. Wash the Akapulko leaves. Washed Akapulko leaves. Put the leaves and oil on a glass in a 1:1 ratio measurement. Now, we're going to mix our Akapulko leaves and our oil. We're going to get our pot or the cooking pot. We're going to put our oil first and our Akapulko leaves. And we're going to boil the mixture in low heat. And now we're going to stir the mixture using the wooden spatula until it is crispy and golden brown. Separate the extract by straining using the cheesecloth. Add the esperma candle and reheat until candle is melted. Now we're going to pour the extract into the canister and wait until it solidifies. until it is cool and close the canister. Put label on the canister. Going to wash used materials or equipments and clean the area.
Now, I'm going to remove my gloves, my apron, and my hairnet. Now, we have our own Akapulko ointment. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!